Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Take?
Dr. Bernard Okoboy.
Nana,
Doc.
that was a pana opportunity where I want me. Nana, only few leaders. When you fuck a crap in Africa, only 2 million shen in Semino. Obe dream call, obe faso, all this out 2 minutes. Ebe ma, ni man for. Nana, now, one of the biggest opportunities I hope Danny President Unya, Sebio, would you bet that or more Mudiwa bread? Akun for many years. I see one of the opportunities, the first one, the biggest. I call the whole country. Hey, appointments of MMDCs. Nana.
Oh.
Now, we are president on Trankra. Who to me appointee Nipa Obeshe, Impotema, Ewa Boga, Ewa Boku. Ewo Techiman, Ewo Teshi, Ewo Ashanti, Unko, Seb, Unim, ho, important crowd, Una Uche, the Wishes wo. Now, every descending and take and say, Nana Kufado, near the first person, what do it is true. No more about Chemono, why didn't they implement it?
Oh, process.
Please.
Procedure.
I was quiet. Look, I've written about 4 5 pages.
Procedure.
Please take pen and write. Maybe person right.
Procedure.
Nana, look, it is cheap.
You don't stand in a day.
It is very cheap to think of a noble concept. Nana, Professor cheap. I says, fool. So because I do well here. But say, Ubenya Kukudro, Asomudia Yejumano, and no Naedi. Now, Sebio, media mean yet too harsh. Mean blame me for one president and bomb which didn't serve your man here because any of you are not me sorry against their own. Nana Kufadu, President and ne, minimum people for or more catching in the face. I did well here, dear, and Yakame. Only few leaders can stand against their own. Now, before we munina or that against it or no one for say, I do women himself a Ghana. Although it be a party in some Naosha, Ebia Yensa, Bebe Shebi Binu, Ghana Benga Bibikesia. That is the kind of leader we are talking about. President Mills, Yedi Ghana Sika, billions, Titiska, millions. Equia Constitutional Review Committee, you know, you see report about just a Ghana for you now per se to aba. MCs. Then President Mills, may so rest in peace. And this region no mukae. Omo aba be yi nkrofo 4 and 5 amaye. Amaye beto aba. Some nkrofo no mo here from party mo no. Eno na ye ko sala ye beto atusu by force. That was the proposal, the vehicle they wanted to use.
One of the vehicles.
Please.
One of the vehicles.
Please. There mo white paper mo di back constitution review ni say ye Ghana for say Dr. Kobo because 2 about this a nipa NDC for their selected doctor I see 5 in a corner ko back by force. Now Adriani sebi me do dokuna by force. Sana munye opportunity no. That's what you thought of.
Block on what we.
Na and this omu dwin one omu to anamo. Omu can say that's their proposal no. And omu ko die. Now President Kufuor Adiba ko wa ya ma hu say oya boami Dr. Kobo be a young politician he say or person who yi sa no shinin free or say and your politicians be na o kan kasa keke e be pet to me ni saka to me na no refi e bia o free ni de o kan here. The only reason why Akufo-Addo continues to insist say we must go through the processes to get MCs elected he say or person who chiro bia say and your politician bia na sebi or you dishonest. He's living according to his word. Now yeah, a kind of some scripture. Nyankupo was in kasa afini no wa raise no above on one kasa de bia o hwe se bebem na me kan say na Nyankupo but who ye nipa e was say won ye wo hu in the way a nipa be giwedi now the conduct of Akufo-Addo no e be boy nyina politicians because say politicians who show me now say me a politician obi afri say bia say be dodo no ye be kasa de pe to me now is changing it free SHS just watch me for a second. There are people in our party. The fiscal impact. Sika will be a fresh. Soon. To change so 2-3 years. Now, second, third year. You bet me that you cinema. What's what I'm talking about? I stick to my word. And you count up a brain. Say you want to work as a man no. Now, mami cause nana. Unim bibi. Very very important. Say you bet to me say. Akwambia obe faso. Edi aye ade no. Enye perfect. Dr. Koboy. Me jitu mu say. Every procedure now part of it, but for no downside, there might be some sides I was saying. But I don't say and once of a kasa way tugu na atugu na me take kasa ya ultimate na I said here just MPP ni NDC de bia yaku why you taking politicization to the ground level hwede mo ye Nilante or me senior brother me sometimes me give advice on ho sebi MPP no ma nanta kono we are brothers Adibaku was saying Ghana for you now and part of your culture. You have found Titi, Ghana for your Saturday Titi, you be brave. Would you be Kasana disagreement, Bape? Now, go for say, now then I'm transferring them, and they be the only reason why they develop well, who shall mind Piano Minima, or would you want Jim Batabusu, where's the fire, where's the Fabi? Say, yeah, see, fire now, where's the Fabia, and then I foresee a Maya Jane, any gentle see a new from Bra. And yes, we are penalty, and now we are quarantine, and now Papa Oscar, and now Papa na founder, who can hear an idea, and who now sell man be brave. It's issue we, because I know to say, who say a party politics, Bemoa, Adiboni, who said so? Say, me see, no, say beer, and nothing I argue, no, Nana. Say, the entire argue, say, Nina take me, the all you party politics are, so the issues you have. Who beside say then no Chemia, I can also show him. That is healthy debate. And when I sees your mind. Now open soldiers. Say local level, the upper level. Move soldiers and then make your mind will be because I see partisanship now bought my way. Now and then so here. Go and ask those who lived under military regimes. Nana apartheid, South Africa, now see a bansro, milk, look. What for or how much slavery muda? Yeah, the milk I see when you man upon who told you that you can exchange anything for freedom and for your ability to decide what you want? Nana, now it'll be Kasa, my chokra will trim her. This is who call foreign politics. Kasano, I'm telling you, the biggest problem Ghana has. Nana, and say on my way, Obinya Diobedi, now or yet Sebi Nipa. Kakra, not me turn the car, and ya esiri down and ready dampe, or see them in dim fear says politics in a manner dirty. That is the kind of country we live in. Minimum conform frame me, I don't know branch, why a doctor, what do you call for politics? What are you talking about? And to more Muslim Rose, I say, one and also my mouth, and your politician are Musufre. Why do we live in a country where people create the impression say, MPP are not anticipate, and is funny people who should, what kind of thinking is that? What we have to do is to criticize politicians when they don't do well and make sure that they sit up. And no me chitum. But I didn't some go for no catch me say me a doctor na me money me practice na me jai politics. And then Oshawa me pacho and road no shema. Why don't you go and call people to come and fix it for you? Obi, it's me pacho. Sa kasa ne hwe yi enye se na SUT MT NDC ni kasa and sa MPP NDC pol. Yeah NDC pol parliament. Ya cho biti. Obi what is our cowboy actuality? We live in a healthy manner. Mimi ye programs for Lejokukwa. And this for ba. We are brothers. The only thing is me catch omo dey be say, "Oh MPP car, car or my car be at him." When NDC was in office, I didn't tell him he said, "Sebi you MPP for you be one form bon komo." We should remove this thinking say, the politics be mo. One share na se wa ko egidi. Yeah, it's na here ku. Football match come to me organize many ni e ma me share soccer cry ball park so nana who bibi
o share go dan o share
obi so cause independent look who you Ghanaian now person on your politics now free say you are not comfortable wearing an NDC CPP or any shirt no problem member Joe Wise din Joe Wise a general constituency MPP strong da send odin crofona tina ni background odoma ni constituency na commenti although Sebi AAC you know at a point he took it from us. The point I'm making is Obi forget about party politics. If you love your constituency, you are a man of integrity and you stand up, they will vote for you. I'm talking about NPP stronghold though. I heard they are comfortably. Money can say a branch away or a bar Yakuma would me or better boy. Enti Kasane Obi.
Na Oko Obi Wan no pay answer na Bahana.
Ose
Oko Obi Wan answer na Bahana.
Nana. For tell me, unze, me don't move some moves me. And say, Nana, him say research actually say the average turnout at the local assembly elections, you know, about 17%. Obi, of my
now so cry.
Okay, everybody.
No, Obi is my friend. Don't worry. But
everybody.
But someone said, "Dear, now Obi I no pay."
Nana, him. Adia research I on my which say. You go to a bar. you only 17% of omo more role so and omo go share local district assembly elections. Nana Dr. Koboy, my coin Crawford area, I'm a Musham doctor. The footbridge we at Chakakra, but when Mr. Babucho, assembly or so assembly. Look, this is the reality of the country we live in. People don't care about the local or district elections. Ope issue street light your friend me nya course Dr. Koboy Oba Aboma Echiwa e why assume be street light who ya why obeka say enya mejuma why di who compare street light koye why because come ha who person the assembly man easy pious who be from classmates 5 one from Oyiri 1 one from Oyiri papa with about 15-20 votes now why assembly they don't participate now Nana think of this why is it that you see ansana yes very ejuma 40% must turn out and at least 75% must say yes. It means you need some number to show that what has happened is a reflection of the community. Most assemblymen, they are not a reflection of what their people want because the turnout was what? Small. And Nana Kufadu, Sebi Obia, Oya honest, I won't say. All the parties and Bemupe, everybody gets what? Involved. The average turnout for national elections is about 75%. And Nana Jun say now free say what problem I feel na me ba me nuanu mo no look Nana me di Akufo-Addo atenasi ama ya bo this issue of voting on partisan lines as any electing MMDCs never was he rigid only obi awaka say aha this part na me faso chichina this part that's why he met former presidents that's why Oma say the IDEC here program here come na ya say obenya political party na me kotie bi wo ha Ofosuampofo senior on the 16th of August 2017 IDEC organized a program Ofosuampofo was there or can say they don't have a program they endorse a yes vote. Look, these are facts. When? Call IDEC please me patch me I am putting IDEC on the line. Call IDEC for them to give you their records. Ofosuampofo on record, he was there physically, Nipadria. He never departed from what was on the table.
It's not true.
Please, oh man, look, what is that?
It's not true.
Me see, my body D, Abo IDEC, yen from Upenifono, October 2nd, 2019. IDEC, another program. Now, title was Benefits, Cost and Participation of MMDC Elections, and the 17th December 2019. The one who chaired this meeting was the chairperson of the NCC. NDC at that meeting endorsed the yes.
Who?
Look, I'm stating records, so I'm about it.
Which NDC?
Me
who's the NDC?
Oh, me see my 4-5 pages. I said Ketia at that program about October 2nd. Pick the records. I'm challenging him. The records. And guess what he said? Mami quote my training now. Okay, to me say, Mr. Chairman, this is one of the few occasions where both the NDC and MPP are on the same path.
Doctor, this will be an attribution to Asiedun Ketia. A speech read by Edem Agbana.
Exactly.
Not Asiedun Ketia.
Yes. For example, Missy
it's not true.
Yeah, please. It's not true. It's easy to say it. Me, both records and dates. Oh, please. Look, and this comment drew a lot of applause. Do you know why? It means that TOD is underlying the bottom line. There was no point of departure between the two parties. Very significant.
On the election of
MMDCs.
No, he was specific on the
distance. Yes, on the election at the local level.
He's talking about, for example,
he's talking about Edem. He's talking about Edem.
Nana, look. Now, I mean, show why people should not listen.
They are tying the two things. If MDC says we agree on the election of MMDCs, no Muslim referendum. They are tying the two things. Let's divorce them.
Okay. Isaac, may you voice in the moment?
Nana, see.
Oh,
please. Nana, yes. No. Me pese etie for KBB. Press conference na NDC yeye. Ah, omu ka say okwa koto aba, koto no nu. Muntie me ye. It was not motivated by love for this country.
It was motivated by what?
It was a move to score political for the NDC as a corporate, not Ghana. Please, I'm coming. If Omu do my way, now what jet to me say, Obiaka says scanner acquire. Way back about a year ago, anytime you met any forum, you must tell them, this is our stance. So 1 year, when forget it. And look, I'm telling you on authority. The entire Nana Akufo-Addo say, yes, I started stakeholder re-engagement. Say, if these signals were picked many months ago, there is no way His Excellency Akufo-Addo Beka say, "Chinchina, me see we should go this route." Obema consulting na consult. Now so muko ye mu anoma kode. Mu ye di. Ye metina oba me see me faso mu nkom anim. Me faso mu nkom anim. Me faso nana kode. Wa ye di e na o hwe o kita dream money. 4 weeks to a referendum. Nana 4 weeks. Ghana mine edi sika millions ashemu. Utwa ye 4 weeks. Where was the NDC 6 months ago? Where was, in fact, no more calculation in now ifa. Now, me my cow platform be messa kawa. And can NDC and yet press conference and can say you vote to Noah. This issue of yes and no will never be an issue in this country.
Sanity.
And can I now money na only say oh yeah yes. All of a sudden 4 weeks to an election. Now you have chosen your party over Ghana. And so tell me, men free for support for June. Or GNDC, Sabi, say, or to a dear abon and any, and no, who told you, say, of support for Jew or sick of Fortuno. Now, who know Janka, or say NDC Atari, and the MP or I don't know why I call independent. Now, Kessian Kasa, Eshe, political party Atari, no, but from our mention. So people say, Otabil, and Nana Kajo Semensha, or Momun Shatari, Nanipa was dressy, black, green, red. White, wabe catch us a colors in here. Now we want to be that. Or software, or you can say no jot. Ah, okay, just a bit for Santa. You are a politician. How you are participating on partisan lines. No. In conclusion, very important. Me pamucho, me Dr. Koboy, me jitum say you see you see partisan line. It's not a perfect system, but what is the alternative? NDC almost incumbents to the because we are 243. I can say now elect them. The Omu can say okay, they say no, elect the Kukunga 4,000 or maybe MC. No, Munira Omako. Or say yes. Now please I'm coming. Nana, the Nana Yedi said if Ukase Yenye Bibia, you have to propose some vehicles. I faso. Everyone soon who go ahead. Me a appoint me for. She look everyone soon. No more dream. Akufo-Addo akase onu de on my say we will be on free another party to be there. Ebebemu. O everyone soon say me a choose. The public service commission. Na ba. Ni nyina okobo opo oko choose NDC. Na imagine okobo wa ko salary. Ya sisa NDC for. I say okobo choose ba. Na me be fine. Nana by force so me pamucho listeners. So Nana Akufo-Addo kwan wa faso yi. Enye kwan odi pe bibia free ho ono na ye di tumi ama no unlike other presidents aye di mom no o see me jemu na so me jemu no ye fa kwan we su say NDC dog who are please o see ye je no on politics
name pajamanisi for mama
yeah no grab
politics
mo amutem pamucho mo ntie mi me pamucho sebio assembly elections ni so obeka no kwaria so catch him say assembly elections you koso on fa no for him now he's not interested that ebe di se me ka say he's being straight. I'm coming. Yes.
Go with her.
No. Not
one line.
Now my tell bebre omu ka say we NIC my enye na ya di boni na we kura obi numa any identity na no comparison no e flood. Your laws bia nkrofo break it bia omu break it with impunity obi sun timi ko chi won.
Identity.
I'm coming. Remember apartheid, it was a law in their books passed in parliament. Saudi Arabia, women were not allowed to drive. It was a law passed in parliament. But people were breaking it regularly, and now they vote, reversed it. Look, racism in America, segregation, Martin Luther King. So, when they were going on the streets, it was a law.
So people were breaking assembly rules. We are breaking the constitution.
Please, I'm coming. When you see that a law is frequently being broken, people break it and are prepared for the consequences. And the state does not even have the guts to arrest one person, say, oh, yeah, party politics. It means that the law has outlived its use. And those who are real and honest, like Akufo-Addo, will make sure that it is changed. The law is made for us. We are not made for the law. If the people don't join because there is no participation, personal participation, what are you waiting for? You change it so that we all get involved.
Thank you, Dr. Okoboy, and also Yate Nenkano.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.